It's pretty simple, guys. Once you do like one or two on your own, and you don't need any other assistance, guys. See, you can see right now I established one relationship between your division and location. Let me go ahead and load this into my provisioning system, and then we'll see like how it is working, guys.
Raghu, Rashmi here. I send you one to upload in provision system. Have you uploaded it?
No, not yet, Rashmi. I'll do that, Rashmi.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Import the standard success factors product data model, and it is in the March folder. This is the one, guys. Okay. Go ahead and submit that. Okay, so your data model is loaded into the system, guys. Let me log off and log in again quickly.
Raghu, when will you use one-to-one and when will you use one-to-many? Is there a defined instance?
It's not defined. It's all basically like it depends on your business. Say if you want to connect one business unit to multiple locations, yes, or like say if your company, the best example, like if your company has multiple business units, right? Yes, that is nothing but one business, one company to multiple business units.
Okay.
Yeah.
But do we have any like a best practice like association diagram or something like that, meaning okay, connecting a business unit to legal entity, like a standard way of doing, like a recommended way of success?
No, Ray.
Any diagram or anything?
No, I don't see anything, Ray.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, why I'm asking is in a SAP world, system allows only up to some extent.
Yeah.
So you cannot connect whatever we want. So,
correct.
So best practice, some like a hierarchy will be there. So that you recommend when you go as a consultant.
Yeah.
So
I don't see anything like that, guys. I don't see like in none of this requirements gathering. Also, they don't come up with any of these best practices guides or nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, let me see. I mean, I cannot promise you on that because so far I haven't seen anything like that. But let me look into it. If at all I found something, right, definitely I'll share those things with you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah. And here you can see, no, not this one. We are in the. So what with that? We did an association between your business unit and location, right?
Well, I don't think you saved it when you did it.
One second.
Mama going to pick yours. You want me to bring you anything?
So between what objects, guys, we kept an association here?
Division and location.
You did it with business, business unit.
So this is your division and business unit, this one. I don't think it's location, right? Division and location, that's what we kept. Second. Nice, 1 second.
Was it business unit?
Yeah, it was division that has a link with association with business unit, and then you added location to it.
Yeah, just give me a second.
Location,
Let me.
I remember location was there.
If you can go to division, I'm sure you'll be able to see it.
Yeah, 1 second. This is not the one, guys. Just a second. Okay, right now we are in division, and if I go to the associations of your division, yeah, and here you can see your one-to-one relationship to your location. Yeah, let me load. I'm not sure whether it is load saved or not. Okay. Let me log up and log in again.
Raghu, we loaded in provisioning or in instance?
What it is?
We loaded that XML file in provisioning, no?
Yes.
Provisioning system.
Correct. Go to manage organization job and pay structures, and now if you go to, sorry, it's not showing up, guys. It is not showing up, guys.
Is there no division in the field?
Pardon? Division is, we renamed it to Spoke, Victor. What we can do is, like, let me take another one, guys. From these things, I'll try to establish association between your business unit and company. I don't know, like, right now we have any association between your company and business unit. Let me check that. Okay, you can see here from wheel you don't have any association with the business unit, right? From your company to your business unit association. How I'm going to keep it? Like, if I'm going to the company HRIS element, and you can see right now it doesn't have any associations. So your company doesn't have any associations at this moment. And what I'm going to, like, I'm going to, one second, guys. This is a good example, guys. You don't have even have tags here. Let me get the tags here. Okay. I'm going to get these tags, and I'm going to keep these tags under the company, your legal entity, guys. This is the first element. Okay, and you have to paste it after the HRIS field, guys. So once you paste it there, right, just remove one of those things, and we are keeping a relationship between your business unit. Business unit is the ID of the destination object, and that is what we want to do. And let me
You're doing one-to-one. That's one company to one business unit, then.
Yeah, you can do that. You can associate to multiple. That's not a deal. Let me finish this and I'll show you the multiple one-to-many. 1 second, guys. It is not closing. Did we load that, guys? Shit. Just load into provisioning system, guys. I forgot about that. Okay, it got loaded. Let me go to admin tools and from there go to manage organization, pay and job structures and go to your wheel business legal entity. What is happening? Okay. You can see here, guys, your wheel, you kept an association with your business unit. That is the reason you can see, and you can only add only one business unit to your wheel, like the company. When you're creating a company, you kept an association with your business unit, and yes, we kept a one-to-one association, and that is the reason you can see here. You can only add one business unit to one company. Let's say wheel ID. Let's say S underscore US underscore and status is going to be like active. Okay, and you don't have option to add more business units to one company, right? You can see here, it's not available to you. And say if you have a requirement which is weird, and you can see here, if you want to associate this company to another business unit as well, yes, you can do that. And it's pretty simple, guys. Go to your association and change the multiplicity from 1 to many, guys. That will work out. Let me do that. And this is the one, guys, we are working on. Okay. Shit.
No swearing.
I don't know, like it got corrupted or something. It was not. It's not working properly, guys. Somehow. Okay, no. Let me cross check, guys, whether whatever the changes that we did saved properly or not. Then we'll load it into the system.